Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. I'd like to show you this groove ring that I have. I've had it for a long time, almost 5 years, and I love that it's so durable and lasted so long. And one of my features that I appreciate about this ring is the grooves on the inside, and it allows my finger to breathe between the finger and the ring, and it also dries up well after I wash my hands. I end up wearing this ring to sleep because it's so comfortable and I forget about it. And it's practical for me because I work with food, and this I can take to work not worried about losing my diamond. Or I also use it when I go hiking or if I go to the gym. So it's a lovely ring, great product. It's lasting me still, and I love it. So that's my point of view.